Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you about a new project named as Axie Infinity. I will share all the gaming details, their marketplace with you in this video, so stay tuned and watch full video. But before that, if you are new on my channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And so I will start the video, but before that, this video is for educational purpose. It is not a financial advice, so do your own research to get into it. So I will share their games. They have given here 4 XY Mavis and the third party, which are 2 are given here. You can even see that they have the marketplace, lower AX social, and I will show all that. You can see the legacy. You can enter your mail and you can be a part of it so that you can get their official announcement. You can see the video which is going on, which are their trailer. You can see their legacy. You can explore, build and battle on it. You can read all the details from here, that how you can discover for more, how you can do build, and how you can go for the battle in it. So they have the pre-registration for their summer playlist, so that where they have completed 18 million plus players which sign up for the chance to experience their legacy earlier. So all that is given. You can see in the works they have the business stations which is going on. You can see how cute and emerging they are. You can get into it. You can even see, I will share their NFTs and all that. So what is Axie Infinity? So it is a virtual world filled with cute, formidable and creature known as Axies. Axies can be battled, collected and even used to mine tokens through their gameplay. They have also created to introduce the world an exciting new technology called blockchain through their nostalgic and charming game. So total X's are given, which is a large amount. You can see total owners are also given here. Their total sale is given, which is 4.3 billion, and the total transaction is given. The ecosystem is given here. You can even see the app, the Infinity Homeland, their origins, and also the legacy and the classic. They have the 5 given here, and other than that, they have the Web3 gaming revolution. You can go and play. You can get X's ticket to an Infinity ecosystem, granting access to the new games and feature upon release. They have the collect option where you can get a rare with the limited edition body parts that will never be released again, so show off to your friends and family. And the third thing is that you can own your XC digital collectibles are truly yours. Use them in games, trade, sell or obtain unique resources. It's up to you. Can see that their amounts and all that is going on. You can see the videos and also the pictures, follow up their journey, and you can see their digital nation which is going on. You can even be able to be a part of them on Discord, Twitter and Telegram. I will share their social media, but before that I want to share with you their marketplace. Here you can see their marketplace is given, where you will get the collection of XCs, accessories, land items, runes, charms, materials and many more. You can see, so their overall stat is given, total sale is given, total volume is given, which is 15.905. They have the XCs sold is given. You can see the XCs which is given here, floor price is given. You can see and also the total XCs. You can see furthermore they have the given here details. You can even go and buy that from here. You can even get, for that you have to log in on it. For that you have to create your account. You have to continue it with the extension wallet, or you can log in with their waypoint. I will just go for the extension wallet. You can go for the MetaMask and anyone you are using here. So it's all that. So now I will just share with you. You can see they have the all which is going on. You can get that. Furthermore, you can also get not just the X's, you can even get their accessories from here. You can see the accessories which is given here, Mr. Oop, Tarot, Night Bloom and all that. Not just that, you can even get the lands from here. You can get the land items. It is also on the sale. You can see their price, their selling amount, how they are unique and all that. You can get from all that. So furthermore, they have the given here Axie Infinity Origins. You can see that. You can even go and install it on the mobile. You can share it with your friends and family. The items which are new on given here, you can even see the review here. They have the welcome bundle, and you can see gem bundle. You can get that bundles and the gems from here, and you can get into it. Their game of Infinity is given. You can see their battles, their cards. You can play with that and you can get for it. Another one I want to share with you is about their classic one. You can see that the classic details. You can even play it. You can see the adventure, their points, their team shops and guides all are given here. Furthermore, they have the Exceed quest. You can use that. You can have to complete three of them. Same, and you can get that. You can go on the battle power. You can see active all that details from here. And if I go further, they have also the third party like the tails. You can see where you can get the issue, the forgotten, and you can read all that. And if I go further, they have the infinity shards access, which is given on Axie Infinity shards are ERC20 governance token for the Axie universe. So it is basically AXS is the basically token of the Axie Infinity community, and you can use that for a different way, like for payment, for governance, for staking, and all that allocation, unlock schedules, which is 29% of the total is given for this reward, and 21% for X5 Mavis. You can get 20% for play to earn, 11% public sale, 8% ecosystem fund, 7% advisor, and also 4% for their private sale. You can see the total amount which is going on. So furthermore, they have the white paper given on. I was just sharing the main points of the white paper, but you can go and read all the white paper, their mission, their vision, and also you can see the gameplay. And their gameplay you can see by the battling, breeding, and you can see all that. You can read all the details, their tournament, their exports are given here, exports. So you can see they have the long-term sustainability lands. You can read all that from here. And furthermore, if you want to join their community, you can go and join them on their Twitter X. They have given here the details, their news is like you can see it is the news of October 19, the 4 hour ago, and you can see all that news from here. You can get more details about them from here too. So it's all about that. You can even go and get it on it, play the game, and you can see the details. So if you like the video, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.